Beginning January 26th, we observe National Identity Theft Awareness Week, a reminder that protecting your identity has never been more important. Today's fraudsters are more sophisticated than ever. They don't just rely on obvious scam emails, suspicious phone calls, or texts about an easy pass toll fine. They use stolen personal information, realistic impersonation, and even artificial intelligence to make their scams look and sound legitimate. They may pose as government agencies, banks, delivery services, or even someone you know, creating urgency and pressure to get you to act before you have time to think. Identity theft and scams can affect anyone. And once your personal information is compromised, the impact can be long-lasting and hard to clean up, financially, emotionally, and legally. That's why the Fairfax County Consumer Protection Commission launched a countywide scam prevention initiative called Pause, Question, Protect. It's built around 3 simple steps that can help stop scams before they succeed. First, pause. Fraudsters rely on panic and urgency. Before sharing personal information, clicking a link, or sending money, take a moment. A short pause can interrupt a scammer's momentum. Second, question. Ask yourself, does this request make sense? Did I initiate this contact? Would a legitimate organization really pressure me to act immediately or ask for sensitive information this way? It's okay and smart to question unexpected messages or demands. And third, protect. Guard your personal information. Never share social security numbers, account details, or verification codes unless you are absolutely certain who you are dealing with. If something feels suspicious, report it. And if you think you might have given away your sensitive information or even your money, the county's Consumer Affairs Branch team is there to help, as is the Financial Crimes Division of the Police Department. These 3 steps, pause, question, protect, are designed to work no matter what type of scam you encounter, because fraudsters change their tactics constantly. But a simple, memorable response can help you stay one step ahead. During National Identity Theft Awareness Week, I encourage everyone in Fairfax County to learn more, talk with friends and family, especially older adults, and share these tools. Together, we can reduce the impact of scams in our community. Thank you, and remember, when in doubt, pause, question, protect.